Ooh, this is bad. This is so bad, y'all. Like, this is big bad. Y'all about to be big mad over this one because these shoes in this box, y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. They are perfect. Let's talk about them. YouTube. Nike, what did you do? Fam, what's good, what is good again, man? It's your boy Jay Hill back for yet another video, man, and we are early, y'all. We got some July heat. I'm officially calling it heat because these shoes, man, like, what are we doing? What are we doing, man? Like, almost, when I say almost perfect, y'all, like, almost perfect, man. But, like I said, man, y'all gonna be big mad over these. But before we get into it, man, look, man, hopefully y'all are having a good day, man. Let me know how good your day is going by thumbsing up the video. Shout out to all of you who engage, man, into the video, man. A lot of y'all have been commenting. I'm getting back to those comments. Appreciate y'all. Don't think it's being overlooked. I will be responding back here soon. But shout out to everybody who has been leaving comments, feedbacks, and etc. on the videos. Y'all keeping your boy Jay pumped and hyped and ready to come back with the next banger, man. So yes, man, we got movies on the way. We got a lot of content on the way, man. So hey, stay buckled up, stay tuned. Keep the notification bell rung, man. We going crazy over here, man. But I really want to appreciate y'all and take this time out to thank y'all for all that y'all do for your boy Jay, man, because like I said, it doesn't go unnoticed. But yes, with that being said, man, for all newcomers, look, I wanna count y'all into that praise that I was just giving the fam, because the fam be going crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I want to conclude y'all or include y'all into that, man. And in order for me to do that, I need for you guys to stick around and join the family, become a member by hitting that subscribe button down below. And if you do hit the subscribe button, make sure you leave a brief comment down below, let me know that you are new, so I can welcome you in the right way, man. I like to engage with everyone, man. Every member of the fam I want to have, you know what I'm saying, a quick chop up with down below in the comment section. So hey, if you are new, like I said, leave a quick comment, let me know, hey, I'm new here, whatever it is that you want to put, and I will get back to that comment. It's my word, you know what I'm saying? But outside of that, y'all, I do have a shoe that is releasing on July 6th. Retail on this shoe will be $180. Yes, it is a Jordan 1, man. And you guys who know your boy Jay, y'all know I'm a sucker for Jordan 1s. But just because I'm a sucker for 1s, I'm gonna keep it all the way a buck with y'all and let y'all know how I really feel about them and what's a go and what might not be a go. And like I said, y'all, these shoes right here, man, they are a go, man. So without any further ado, y'all, let's jump right into it and see what July is looking like. Woo. Bang, man. So let's start it off the right way. You see what's going on. This shoe will come in special packaging, y'all. So we will get the all over navy blue box with the UNC blue Nike written across it, man. So far, so far. Size tag on this one does read women's. What? I gotta get up, man. Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color blocking on this one is University Blue. That's it, you know, a familiar colorway. And I always tell y'all, whenever they put those two words together, University and Blue, you cannot mess up the shoe pretty much. It's almost a given, but we'll talk more about that. But I did go with a 10.5 W on this one, which is equivalent to a men's size 9. So size 9 in men, of course, you go up a size and a half, and that is your conversion from men's to women's. So if you were an 8 in men's, you will be a 9.5 in women's. So a size and a half up will be your women's conversion. Look, everyone, if you guys see something you like when I pop off this lid, if you like what's in this box, just know that I can get them for you, man. So real quick, I gotta let y'all know, if you guys want these right now, if you want them early, send your boy a DM over at JTSG Closet over on Instagram, or you can send me an email. My email is down below in the description. But if you want these shoes early, you can get them like in a day early, you know what I'm saying? Like shipping fast, you know. Just holla at me, send me a DM over at JTSG Closet. I have pretty much what a 4W through a 12W, you know, and 12W is a 10.5 in men, which is the biggest size that these go up to, y'all. So anything above a 10.5 in men, you SOL. But that is it, you know what I'm saying? I told you where you can get them, told y'all the color block and all that good stuff. Let me show you guys the box lid. It does come with a lot number on the box lid and the regular Nike stuff. Who cares about the lid? Y'all want to see the kicks. But take a look at the paper, y'all. We do get some special papering with this shoe. As you can see, it got the 2-3 on it. And what else? It says J. It has a J on there and a so AJ for Air Jordan, and then 23 on the inside of it that you can barely see, but you can see kind of through that wax paper, man. We got some heat, man. But we do have releasing on July 6th the Jordan 1 women's exclusive, first in flights. Ooh, and they so nice. Bang! So there we have them, y'all. This is giving me super OG Jordan 1 high OG vibes, y'all. Now, the last Jordan 1 that I talked about that I kind of liked a lot, y'all, was of course the Jordan 1 lattes, y'all. And oh man, they disrespecting them lattes, y'all. They are disrespecting the lattes like already at outlets, give or take, you know what I'm saying? They are going for retail. Still, bro, just seeing the shoe that has released a couple weeks ago just sitting in the outlets is like, oh man, bro. But I still love it. I don't care, outlet or not, I'm still rocking mines. Still a cop for me. I still love them the same way, but these aren't gonna end up in the outlets, I don't think. Just my prediction on them. But like I said, y'all, first in flight Jordan 1s. Before we get into it real quick, here inside the box, I do see it does come with a, what I thought was a sticker, y'all. I thought that this was a sticker. It is a flight card to say. So it does come in the shape of an Air Jordan flight or a wings type of look, you know what I'm saying? It does have the wings on the front. On the back of it, it does have a statement, and the statement does read, "It's her flair. The way she moves across the hardwood court, it's her record-breaking skills, her dunking abilities." What? I'm gonna let y'all have it. She first in flight, true to the game, breaking barriers year after year since 1984 and beyond. Let's celebrate many firsts in women's basketball. So that is what is written behind, of course, the flight that I just dropped. But y'all get the point, man. Let's talk about the kicks, y'all. So these are so nice, bro. These are the perfect Jordan 1 in my opinion. Outside of the sizing, that's the only thing that messed up this shoe, y'all. Only thing is the sizing. This is a women's exclusive, but hey, shout out to the ladies, you know. Y'all got y'all another one, you know. But another one. In the words of Jay, the sneaker guy, if I can fit them, I'ma get them. Bang! So here we have the Air Jordan 1 first in flights, y'all. Look, man, what is the first thing that you see? I ain't gonna hold you. For me, it is that side panel. That leather, man. We got some great leather on this shoe, man. All my leather heads, man. That's all I can say, bro. It's not even nothing to say. It's a gesture. Just these are nice, y'all. But as you can see, man, it does have, of course, the light baby blue, university blue outlining all throughout the shoe. Goes to that darker navy blue on the back half, and the wings logo, the splash of yellow is just perfect. It is the nice color ratio, man. Couple little extras on this shoe. We can talk about it when we get to it, but hang tag, it comes with, of course, all the women's exclusive Jordan 1s have been coming with some sort of a extra, whether it's a hang tag or whether it's something special inside the box. So I mean, no excitement there, you know, but I do like the way the hang tag, you know, came out navy blue with the yellow touch. It does come with an extra set of laces, y'all. Does come with an extra set of course, the yellow laces, and it does come in the cardboard box. It does come with the university blue laces, but I see, you know, quite a few different options for lace swaps with these. And it does have a slight sail, man. Slight sail on the midsole. Is not completely white, you know. And I think the tone of sail or cream that they used with it is perfect. Perfect, man. Like I said, man, there's nothing I would change about this shoe, y'all, other than making this a full family size shoe. Like it's almost like Jordan brand is teasing us with these types of shoes. Like, okay, you give us random Jordan ones that we are like, why did you make those? Why do we get those? Etc, etc. And you make that a full family size shoe. But when it comes to shoes like these that I feel like would be a statement maker, when it comes to the Jordan 1 silhouette, man, you cut us short, man. You stop at 10.5 in men's. And look, I'm a rant for y'all, man. People above 10.5 in men's, this is the point why I rant for y'all, man. Like, what is y'all doing, bro? Like, come on, we need to get to the point where everything is unisex, to make a full family size and everything, because I'm sure there's some women out there that do wear bigger than a 10.5 in men's. I'm sure the average WNBA player is probably around 10.5 or up in men's, you know. So I mean, come on, bro. Like, these are super fire, man. And speaking of super fire, this color blocking, I got just the perfect thing that y'all might want to add if y'all are getting anything that looks like this. Woo! Appreciate you. That was clutch. Bang, bro. A Soul Premise bag, y'all. And I mean, the shoe got good leather, so we gotta match it with some premium style leather, man. This Soul Premise bag right here is known as the Daily Commuter, man. Yes, it is a daily bag and it packs a punch, y'all. This bag right here can hold not only one but 2 pairs of shoes that you can safely secure on the inside of this big pouch right here when I open it. So you can store 2 pairs of shoes in here, one on the top, have it secured. Then you can put another on the bottom and have it secured just as well. That's not it, man. You can put other items in here. You can put laptops and have it locked inside this pouch right here. You can put all your laptop accessories. You can put your chargers for your phones. A lot more right inside this little area right here. Then you can stuff the middle with clothes or anything else that you want to travel with, man. That's not it, man. This bag right here, like I said, y'all, one of my favorites. You can put more stuff right here in the front. You do have the double pocket. You got one in the front and you got another zipper area right there in the back for more storage space. That's not it, man. You got a hidden storage spot in the back, bruh. That is actually a whole nother compartment. You can put 2 pairs of jeans right in there. You can put about 3 shirts in there. Like, bro, you can load this bag down and it is TSA approved and you can just rock it like a regular backpack on the plane, man. So tell me how fly would you be? Like, look at this. I'm walking through the airport, bro. Like, bruh, they gonna be like, who is he? He is going crazy, man. But you can get one of these bags today, or you can even snap. You can go crazy. You can get a bag the same color as the yellow hit on the Wings logo, because they have a variety of different colors over at Soul Premise, man. So what are you waiting for, man? Hit the link down below in the description with my promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, or either my link. It will save you almost half off on a Soul Premise bag, man. They got duffel bags over there. They have crossbodies over there, man. Man, they have everything for your traveling or everyday needs, man. Tap into Soul Premise, use my link, and like I said, that'll save you almost half off, and you won't be disappointed with that bag that you get, man. So tap in. Everything is linked down below in the description. And I mean, look, bro, if your bag is matching your shoes, bro, you that guy. So tap in. But yes, sir, man, back to the kicks, y'all. These right here are something else, y'all. Like, bruh, these are cold, man. Very, very nice shoe. Take a look at the tongue, man. The tongue, you got a special detailing right there. It says first in flight underneath the Nike Air. A dope little touch. And of course, the women's, of course, exclusive shoes, we get that signature touch of the satin silk interior sock liner. And Everywhere where you do got the blue, the light UNC or university blue color, man, it is all over nubuck. So you got a nice soft nubuck going all throughout the blue areas. Then the leather, man, the leather is, I don't want to say the S word, y'all. I don't want to say the S word, but bruh, I need to bring them out, man. We got to bring out the shattered back boys, man. Bring in the shattereds. Bang! So we don't even gotta bring out the OGs, but
not the cap.
Boy, I am tripping. Cause like I said, it be sounding good until I really see these shattered back boys in hands. But woo! These shattered back boys hitting a little different on that toe box leather, bro. But maybe I was tripping just a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? But I like the leather. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say I like the leather, and we're not gonna bring up the S word anymore because and that wasn't even the OG, bro. That was the away pair. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna stay in our lanes and we gonna be humbled about this. But these right here are very nice, man. So July 6th is the release date. Comment down below, man, what are your thoughts on these? We've talked over and over again on this channel about how we feel like, you know, these shoes should be, you know, just unisex or extended sizes on everything. What would it hurt? Put the women's tag on it, you know, who cares, you know what I'm saying? Put the women's tag on it, but I feel it's only right, man, to just make everything in extended sizes so whoever may want the shoe is able to cop it, man. But I definitely am a fan of these, and bro, yeah, oh man, I like them a lot, y'all. But like I said, man, if you guys want them early, I know where to find me. JTSG Closet over on IG. Send me a DM, send me an email. I got you. I can get them out to you. I can next them to you however you want them. You know what I'm saying? And these are nice. These are nice. Like I said, they picked the perfect colors. The yellow, the splash of yellow, just the color blocking is so fire. The color blocking on these goes crazy, man. I'm curious to see them, you know, laced up right with the right color laces. You know, I'm not gonna give that away yet, but I will be freaking these, you know what I'm saying, doing something with these. So yeah, y'all comment down below. What are your thoughts on these? Are you mad? Are you big mad that they didn't release in, you know, extended sizes or just full family sizing? But outside of that, I am gone. And this is just another fire Jordan 1. And I just made a video, you know, talking about how the Jordan 1 denims outsold. I mean, not really outsold because they was probably less produced, but they quote unquote did better than the oxidized green. When you look at the sneakers app, the denim sold out. The oxidized greens are available in every size, and it's like I said, our Jordan 1s back on top, and we are far from seeing the Jordan 1s back on top because I'm sure that Jordan 1 still will be sitting. But I just like what I'm seeing with the Jordan 1 silhouette, man. Sit or not, I'm still gonna cop, and that's that on that, you know what I'm saying? But that is it. I am gone. Work of beauty, Jordan 1, women's exclusive, first in flights. Comment your thoughts and opinions on it. What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? And I am gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next time, y'all. Happy Father's Day, all fathers too. If y'all are watching this on Father's Day, I don't know why I didn't say that at the beginning of the video. I just be so locked in. But happy Father's Day to all the fellas out there, man. Keep doing what y'all doing, and take care of them kids, man. Yeah. Outside of that, y'all be blessed, man. I'm gone.